Hey there friends and folks, it is spooky season. Today I'll be making a pair of these spider earrings. I first designed these spider earrings several years ago, and I used to annually open up for commissions, but 2 years ago I was so overwhelmed with orders that this last year I decided to opt out. Then this year I've been focusing my energy on so many other ventures that I just decided to make this video instead. Now this video isn't exactly going to be a tutorial, but if you would like to try and follow along, as usual, I will put a tools and supplies list down in the description. So without further ado, let's get started. Now it has been a bit since I made these, so I'm going to be referring to this pair as a guide. I will be making a few adjustments as I go though. Up front I know that I used 28 gauge for these, and I'm going to be using a 30 gauge today. And I've cut 20 gauge wire for all the spider's legs, except I've cut a 22 gauge for this ear wire, so I need to be sure that I weave the 22 gauge into this design in the right place. And it looks like it's the second to bottom wire that goes all the way up and becomes this ear wire. So I'm gonna make sure I do not mess that up. This pair today is for my friend Morgan, so I filmed this video a bit in advance with the intention of shipping them out to her in time for this season, but wanted to save this video for a Halloween treat. And there you have it, some super spooky seasonal earrings. Thank you all so much for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you have any fun Halloween plans. I, for one, am getting dressed up and dancing around my living room. Till next time, take care and be well.